Hi everyone, and I'll be... Where's my glasses? I can't see anything. No, that's better. So, I'll be upgrading my laptop from 4GB to 8GB RAM, and I'll be showing you guys how to do it by yourselves without any technician. And there are some instructions that you should follow step by step to avoid malfunction. If you want to upgrade your normal laptop to a standard gaming laptop or your laptop to an editing laptop, you can use this G-Skill by Ripjaws. And please make sure that you follow these steps to avoid malfunction, because these parts are highly sensitive to static electricity. For this new installation, obviously you need your laptop. We got that. And you need your RAM. And you need a screwdriver. Once you have taken those, make sure that you remove the battery of the laptop. Once you have taken it apart, make sure that your laptop has no charge in it. The reason I am saying this is that laptops are electrical devices and they may have charge stored in their capacitors. So make sure that you firmly press on the power button for about 15 seconds. Once it's done, flip the laptop over and remove this screw which is at the back of your laptop. Keep the screw apart, and now pull this piece of plastic towards your side, and now you can keep this plastic part apart, and now you can see there are three parts in this laptop. This is the Wi-Fi connectivity chip, and this is the hard drive, or you might have an SSD, and this is the RAM. Now click this open and it comes up. It says only DDR3L. Take the RAM off and now take your new RAM and make sure it is DDR3L. So in my one it says DDR3L. Once you have taken it out, make sure this notch comes in parallel with this notch so that it fits perfectly. And now it clicks in, and now you have the RAM installed in your laptop. And now let's put this inside. And now let's put back our laptop battery in. Alright. Now we have booted up our laptop. Now let's see what has happened, whether the computer has detected this RAM or whether we need to update it in the BIOS. Click for run and msinfo32.exe. It says available virtual memory 8.42, install RAM 8GB. So our installation is perfect, and this makes sure that the RAM is installed perfectly. And when I get this RAM, I get this free sticker as well. Try to get yours. I hope that you guys learned something today and you can install a new RAM on your laptop. Be sure that you will turn on notifications so that you can check out my next video, which will be amazing. Hope to see you next time. Tala!